Namaste to all students. Myself JV and Dr. Khushbu Verma. Today we will discuss about inoculation process of explant. So in this session, here I am explaining that before inoculation of explant, we have to sterilize explant with the help of detergent and surfactants. Here we can simply see that first of all you have to collect your explant from mother plant, so it can be leaf, shoot, root and flower bud, whatever required. We will collect by cutting explant from mother plant with the help of knife, sharp knife or blade or scissor. We can use according to the requirement. After collection of explant from mother plant, first of all, we will clean explant by using tap water. So we will just put under tap water our explant and we will leave it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And our explant will start to clean under the running water. But we have to be careful about one thing, that if our explant in beaker, so we have to cover beaker mouth with muslin cloth and we have to seal it with the help of rubber band, and then we should leave that complete beaker under the running tap water. So the running tap water will start to clean our explant and all the dusting and other things will be removed from our explant surface. After the cleaning of explant by using tap water, now we will use sodium hypochlorite and Triton X100, and we will start to shake our explant in that solution, which are basically detergent and disinfectant. So we will use and then we will shake it. After the shaking for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, we will rain out the solution into other blank beaker. Then we will clean our explant with by using distilled water 4 to 5 times, as you can see in the video. So after cleaning explant by using these detergent, we will finally put these explant into distilled water and then we go into laminar air flow, where we will prepare freshly prepared mercury chloride solution, and then we will put explants from distilled water, or you can say we will transfer explants from distilled water into mercury chloride solution, and again we will shake as we were doing here. So after shaking for 1 minute, then again we wash out the solution of mercury chloride in a blank beaker. Then we will wash our explant with distilled water 4 to 5 times. And after cleaning, complete cleaning, we will put our complete sterilized explant into distilled water, which should be autoclaved. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.